सो गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज मैं करने वाली हूँ, देखो आज मैं करने वाली हूँ न्यू लॉगमैन विद स्टार्स चैप्टर 2 नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स। चलो जल्दी पढ़ते हैं, इससे और भी ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा। तो ये है क्लास 4th का बुक। सो लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड। तो आज हम लोग लर्न करने वाले हैं, यहाँ पर आप लोग पढ़ लीजिए। चलो मैं बोल देती हूँ। About the northern mountains and the Himalayas, about the climate, natural vegetation and wildlife of the northern mountains, the importance of northern mountains for India. So this is the northern mountains include Himalayas, the Karakoram and northeastern hill ranges or the Purvanchal hill ranges. The Himalayan range is the highest mountain range in the world. Northern mountains comprise of some highest peaks, while K2 or Mount Godwin Austen is the second highest peak in the world. Some of the important peaks of the northern mountains are listed in the table. See, you can also write in your copy name of the peak, height, meter. You can also pause the video and see. Mount Everest 8.848 kilometers. Mount Godwin Austen K2 8.611 meter or 11, you can also say. Kanchenjunga 8.598 kilometers. Makalu 8.481 kilometers. Dhaulagiri 8.172 kilometers. Annapurna is 8.091 kilometers. Nanga Prabhat 8.125 kilometers. Nanda Devi, I have also listened. It is 7.817 kilometers. So you listen now. Did you know, this is a fun fact, guys. Tenzing Norgay and Amund Hillary went the first to climb Mount Everest in 1953. And you will also tell me that who was the second woman climb to Mount Everest, and the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest was Bachendri Pal. She climbed the mountain in 1984. You will also tell me who was the second Indian woman and second man. Okay, in comments. So this is the Himalayas. The word Himalayas means a body of snow. Means Nivan. You can also search on Google. Yeah, you can also go at this time. But first, do look at video, and you can also underline that, and then that is a large part of mountains is covered with snow. Throughout the year, the Himalayan range stretches from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. And you are thinking about this bone, huh? Yeah? How I have made. So this is in my channel. Go and see. And then the Himalayan range includes 3 parallel ranges. Okay, parallel means I will tell you in next part. Okay, or you can also search on Google. Okay. The Greater Himalayas are also known as Himadri. The Middle Himalayas are also known as Himachal. The Outer Himalayas are also known as Shivalik. The Greater Himalayas range is the northernmost and highest range of Himalayas. The peaks of this range are always covered with snow, therefore they give rise to a number of glaciers. Glaciers are slow-moving rivers of ice. Several rivers such as Gangas, Indus and Yamuna originate from these glaciers. The rivers Ganga and Yamuna originate from the Gangotri and Yamunotri glaciers respectively. The Middle Himalayas range is situated south of the Greater Himalayas. Through the peaks of this range are not as high as the Greater Himalayas. Some of them are still covered with snow. The range consists the forest-covered mountains and fertile valleys. Oh, wait. Do you know what is meaning of fertile? Search in Google and tell me. Let us get started. So, where were we? Oh yeah, we are in fertile valleys. A valley is low-lying area between two hills or mountains. Some of the major valleys of the Middle Himalayan range and Kangra and Nainital. Wow, cool name, Nainital. There are many beautiful hill stations in Himalayan range like Mussoorie, Shimla, Kulu and Manali. Hey, I have visited. Where I have visited, I will show you. Here I have visited. Here I have visited in Uttarakhand. So I passed here to here and here. So this is like this map. You can key this. So let us continue and there are many. Okay, I have also gone to Manali, Mussoorie, Shimla, Kulu, and the other outer Himalayan range is southernmost range of the Himalayas. It is also the lowest range of the Himalayas. This mountain range is covered with thick forests and it is rich in wildlife. There are many mountain passes in the Himalayas. A route through a mountain range is called a pass. People use passes to cross. Next page. This is page number 9. Mountains. Some of the important passes in northern mountains are Zoji. What a crazy name! Zojila, Khardung, La, Changla, Barala Chala, Chimpkila, Rohtang Pass, Nathula, the world La means pass. The highest motorable road in the world is Khardung La at a height of 5,359 meters. Oh, this is, you can read it or I will read it. Border Roads Organization, Khardung La top 18 crores. 1 crore 18,380 feet. Oh my God! Highest motorable road in the world. 54 RCC, Himang 16 TF, Khardung La, and here are the all which we have to read. They're totally from 1 to 15. Okay, let me read it for you. By first reading this, I'll tell you that when my school, this is June, this is 2nd June, so my school will resume in 10th June. So my mom said my holidays were from mine. Okay. From 31st April and so my mother said that go and read all of your subjects, and I have to need to read from 1 to 3 chapters, and I have to also finish my holiday homeworks, but I have finished it all of my homeworks, and I have only of Hindi and computer. Let us get started. That is Rakaposhi. How many meters you can also see? And it is 7.788 miles or meters. Hamarmosh 7.397 miles or meters. Nanga Prabhat 8.100. Yes, 26 miles or meters. K2 8,611 miles or meter. I love Mount Everest K2 and Nanda Devi. These are my favorite mountains. And Khardungla top. These are my favorite mountains, and La Pass. Na? So where were we? K2. So we were in K2. 8.611 miles or meters. Kailas. This is not Kailas, this is Kailash. Sh, please say sh, not sa. Hey baby, why are you coming? You also want to read? You can see my full video. So, sorry for disturbing. This is my little furry friend. And 6.756 meters. And comet is also same, but 6 is changed into 7.756 miles. So you can do 1 plus here, or you can also say from this number 7. 7th is Nanda Devi, 7.870 miles. Gurla Mahandata 7.728 miles. And Dhaulagiri 8.172 miles. Annapurna 8.078 miles. And you will also say now which is your favorite from here and here passes. Okay. And that is another one is yes, Annapurna 8.078 meters, and Kanchenjunga 8.598 meters. Number 12, Mount Everest 8.848 meters. Gauri, that is not Shankar, that is Shankar. Please say as Shankar. And 7.145 miles. and Makalu 8.481 meters, Namcha Barwa 7.756 meters. And you can also see this, or you can also take a screenshot of this. Let you take a when I say that. So I am doing back camera, and please do a screenshot, and you know now what to do. Subscribe, like, subscribe, share and comment. Okay, are you ready? Go. And see. Wait for a minute. Now I am cleaning my that. Oh, take a screenshot. I will be taking it for more minutes or seconds. Done? Okay. So this is map showing important peaks and ranges in northern mountains. Oh guys, this you can also do it on a clip. Because that is not fixed here now. So wait for a second. Guys, this is Karakoram mountain ranges. The Karakoram mountain ranges lie to the northwest of the Himalayas beyond the Indus River. The second highest peak in the world, Mount Godwin Austen K2. In this mountain range, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh lie in this mountain range. Purvanchal hill ranges. The Purvanchal hill ranges lie to the northeastern part of the northern mountains. These hill ranges are not very high. They are covered with thick forests and rich in wildlife. These ranges cover the northern and eastern states of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. Did you know? Fun fact! Trivia time. Like, hey guys, you can also go to this sticky. Okay, I have sent my link and other things in YouTube also. That does not takes anything like other apps. It is very simple. You only have to add your phone number, and it will give you a code. Then you have to see it. It will come in messages, and you can not only 2 codes. My code was in 5 not, so it was it was also starting with 52883. So this was my code. So you will say this capitals one I will also take out. So this is vegetation. So this is fun fact time. The foothills of Himalaya are called Tarai. Tarai they are called, okay? There are sparse vegetation in the Greater Himalayas. This includes shrubs, mosses, Aegeans and wildflowers like blue poppies and Edelweiss. The natural vegetation in the middle Himalayas contains the and oak, poplar, walnut, cypress, fir, cypress, juniper, and birch. So, guys, this was only, and this region has many orchards of apples, plums, peaches, pears. Wow, pears, cherries, and almonds. So, guys, only this much you are thinking. No, I will take you to some another vegetation. You can also see this and this, then exercises. So let me do. I will also show you the time. You can also see time. How many time is this? So guys, I am thinking that I have to do it down or stop it. So I'm thinking why I will stop it. You are my students. You're thinking now. You're not my students, you are my friends, and you have to think that I'm your friend and I'm asking doubts. You are asking doubts to me. What? Hey, can I come to your video, please? No, baby, I have to say doubts in your friends. Why again? Why do I not come? Oh, baby, I will play after with you. Why? You can see I have my darkness all. Why? Do not be expensive. You have an expensive gift. Go and tell your mom. Wow! An expensive gift. Okay. Be some सब्र, प्लीज़ सब्र रखो गाइस। तो मेरा अगर मेरे को कमेंट्स आए, मतलब मुझको एक कमेंट आया वावनी रैबिट पालो, तो मैंने कहा यस, वो थे माफिया 80।